In this video, I will show you how to resolve the frustrating issue of an MSI laptop stuck in a BIOS loop. This typically happens when your system can't find a valid bootable device, often during a Windows reinstallation. We are going to look at the contrast between legacy settings and modern requirements to get your machine back to the desktop. The primary trade-off you face is between the older CSM mode and the modern UEFI standard. If your MSI B760 or similar laptop keeps booting into Click BIOS 5, the most common fix is switching from CSM UEFI mixed mode to pure UEFI. Modern Windows 11 installations require a GPT partition style, which legacy BIOS settings often fail to recognize, causing the loop. You should also try temporarily disabling Secure Boot in the Security tab to remove it as a variable while troubleshooting your USB boot. If you are stuck after the first reboot of an installation, it usually means the firmware is still looking for legacy files that don't exist. You can use the command prompt in the Windows recovery environment to run the bcd boot command, which rebuilds your boot files and forces the system to recognize the SSD. Always ensure your USB is connected directly to the motherboard I/O rather than a hub to ensure it is detected as a UEFI device. By aligning your firmware mode with your disk partition style, you break the loop. I hope these steps helped you get back to your installation. If this fixed your MSI laptop, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting. Drop a comment below if you have any questions.